Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to make some amazing keto waffles. So let's get down here on the counter, show you the ingredients that we're going to use. Okay, so this recipe is tripled. So on our website, it's going to be just for one serving. This is 3 servings. So we're going to start with 3 large eggs, 9 tablespoons of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I know that sounds weird, but trust me, this works. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of water. Now, these 2 ingredients here are optional, but we do really enjoy them. This is 1 teaspoon of monk fruit and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is really going to bring these things to life, so give this a try. You can also try it without it, but we really like this. Okay, so we're going to grab ourselves a mixing bowl here, and we're going to start with the wet ingredients first. So I'm going to dump in my 3 eggs, and I'm going to just break these up a little bit first. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla, add in my water, and then the mayonnaise. Get this mixed up here. Okay, that's ready. I'm going to set this aside for just a second. All right, now we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So we're going to take our baking powder, put it in our almond flour, and then we're going to add our monk fruit in there. I'm just going to take a fork and just combine this here real quick. Just like that. Okay, now we're just going to combine these 2 together. Okay, should come out looking just like a nice pancake batter. Next, we'll just pour this into our waffle iron here. Then we'll close it up, let it cook. All right, these have cooked for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Let's take them out and get them on a plate. Gonna add a little bit of a sugar-free syrup on this. All right, we'll taste them. Just like real waffles. These are great. Love these things. So give them a try. If you like them, leave a comment. Maybe you have a different way of making these. If you do, tell us how you do it. We'll try those too. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.